Hey guys, thanks for coming back and kicking it in the kitchen with Kay. Today on the menu we have some curry chicken, some rice and peas for yours truly who want to eat. I don't know. First we're gonna get the chicken started. We're gonna clean them and cut them and put them in some vinegar water and wash them off so they're good and clean. Then we're gonna get to the rice and the peas. Okay, so let's go. Let's start off by sharpening our knives. Then we're gonna go straight into getting the chicken chopped into pieces. Here's a technique of mine. Cut all the chicken meat off around the chicken bone so the bone is more accessible for you to chop it up. Always use a sharp knife. Sharper the knife, the easier it is to chop the bone. Alright, we're going to clean that with vinegar and water. I'm going to wash them off multiple times. I'm going to chop up our onions, then add them to the bowl, mix it up, our Scotch bonnet pepper. Next, add the minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Mix that up. Get that seasoning good in there so you can taste all that flavor. Allspice. Crush that up. We're going to add that to the bowl. Go mix that up. Get that seasoning in there right. Now we're going to add the jerk seasoning. This is 2 tablespoons. I'm going to mix that in. This is 2 tablespoons of curry, but I'm only going to use some of it. Save some for later. It's 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. We're going to cover it up, put it in the refrigerator. In the meantime, between time, let's get the potatoes rolling. Chop your potatoes into cubes, large or small, your choice. The potatoes help thickens the curry gravy. Next, we're going to start on the rice. That was a cup of coconut milk, a cup of water. Add a combination of seasoning, 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Stir in all your ingredients and cover to boil. While the seasoned coconut milk is boiling, wash your rice. Once coconut milk starts to bubble, add your red kidney beans. Allow kidney beans to cook for approximately 25 minutes. Then add your rice. Add a half a stick of butter. Stir your pot. Place an aluminum foil over pan. Cover and cook for 45 minutes. Remember to check on your rice occasionally. Next is the chicken. We're going to start off by burning the curry with some oil. I did 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the chicken to the pot. Mix it all up. And then cover it and let it cook for about 45 minutes. Then you will start noticing the chicken springing water, and that's when you can start to add your chopped potatoes. You're going to cover those potatoes and you're going to cook for another 30-40 minutes. Alright, here we have it, the final product, curry chicken and rice and peas. It looks so yummy, but I don't eat chicken. So you guys try this at home. It will be tasty. You will not be disappointed. You're gonna grab a man from the rice and peas and the curry chicken. But make sure to tell a friend to come learn some recipes. You won't be disappointed. And I do appreciate you coming and kicking with me. Thanks for coming and kicking it in the kitchen with Kay. Be sure to come back, kick it with me again, and learn some more recipes.